Yeah, you get a little noise in the background. Starts at about 6 a.m. Anyways, science, man, check this out. May 8th, 2024. What's that? What is this? What am I doing here? This is anybody remembers 5th grade science class. This is actually, I put it in here before and it didn't work, but it is absolutely working now, and the results are amazing because I downloaded the digital compass, and it is like way off. Or actually, it's sometimes it's accurate, sometimes it's off by 45 degrees, but this is the definitive answer right here. See that? Boing, boing. It keeps pointing north, and that north is nowhere near where I thought it was, because when you look at that needle, ow, something's on my bug's biting me. Okay, so this way is due north. Here's my trays over here, like 40 some degrees off. I think they're 40 to 41 degrees off. So to be north, they've got to be facing like that direction, right, you know, like this way. Like, yeah, 40 some degrees off. So all these trays got to be moved. Wow, so yeah, there's north. I always said north is like over here or over there. No, north is like way over there. Not anything like it. That's got to be magnetic north, though. I mean, wouldn't you say, if you put a magnetic needle in a bowl and it points that way every time? What do you think, Early? Is that magnetic north? How's that taste? Does that taste good? Oh, now we got an ant in there. Oh, you got ants in your mouth? Come here. Yeah, she had to rinse the ants out of her mouth, I guess. But as far as I can hear, let's line it up right under here. The aluminum shouldn't affect it. It's an aluminum pan, my aluminum collector. Wow, that is like almost perfectly, might be off a half a degree. But I was running like 45 degrees here. I'm off by a bunch. I thought these were pretty close. And when you look on maps, it's kind of, I knew I was off a little bit, but 40, like 42 degrees, 41 degrees. So all these trays, all these pans, everything's got to come out and go this way.